Hi guys! So for today's video, we are going to discuss the area of the sector. Okay, asan ba yung sector ng circle natin? Ito, yung shaded region natin. So yan yung kinukuhanan natin ng area. And to find for the area, we have here pi r squared times theta over 360. So paano natin yan i-apply dito sa circle natin? Ano yung theta natin? Our theta is equal to 160 degrees. And our radius is equal to 3 centimeters. Okay? Now, to find for the area, we have the formula pi r squared times theta over 360. Okay? Let's substitute. So, we have here, okay, pi, anong value ng r natin? We have 3 squared. Okay? Times ang theta natin is 160 over 360. Okay? What is 3 squared? 3 times 3 is 9. So, you have pi times 9. Okay, this one, pwede na natin makancel yung dalawang zero, ha? Bakit? Yung 160 kasi is 16 times 10. And yung 360 kasi is 36 times 10. So, para lumit yung value niya, mas-simplify siya, we have 16 over 36. Okay? Now, pwede naman na tayo mag-multiply dito, kaya lang masyadong lalaki yung value. So, let's simplify first 16 and 36. Anong number yung pwedeng mag-divide kay 16 and 36? We are having its lowest term, ha? Divisible sila pareho by 4, correct? So, si 16 over 36 is divisible by 4. Well, let's see. So, we have here 16 divided by 4 is 4. 36 divided by 4 is 9. So, this will become 4 and this will become 9. Okay? May pwede pa ba tayong ma-simplify? Pwede pa yung 9 and 9, di ba? Both divisible by 9. 9 divided by 9 is 1. 9 divided by 9 is 1. Or just 9 divided by 9, 1 na lang siya. Okay? So, we have here now 1 times 4. 4 times pi, we have 4 pi. Okay? Over 1. Pero dahil 4 divided by 1 is 4, you will have 4 pi. So, we have 4 pi centimeters squared. Okay? This is the exact value of the area of the sector. Now, what if you are finding for the approximate value? Okay? So, you have to have pi as 3.14. Okay? So, we have 4 times 3.14 and that will be how many? So, we have 4 times 3.14. Para mabilis na calculate na ako. So, that will be 12.56 centimeters squared. Okay? So, we have this one and this one. Okay? Now, you try. What will be your area or what will be the area of the sector given kayo ng theta nyo which is 120 degrees and your radius which is 6 centimeters. Okay? Don't forget to follow for more math videos and remember that sharing is caring. Bye!